Hey everyone, welcome to the podcast. So before we get to this episode, I want to share 3 ways that you can work with me more deeply. The first is Vision Intensive, which is a one-on-one experience where you get to explore deeply your vision, your nervous system, your vagus nerve, how your eyes relate to your body. It is a clear roadmap in improving your vision, reducing eye strain, and restoring stability to your eye-brain-body connection. On March 18th, I'm starting an online cohort. This is a group process where we explore perception, how vision, movement, our nervous system regulate with each other. This is a guided group experience that focuses on giving you practical tools that you can integrate into your daily life. And in September, I'll be hosting an in-person retreat near San Luis Obispo, California. This will be a small, immersive environment where we will work hands-on with our vision, our somatic movement, our perception, our nervous system, and our coherence in a small group environment. If any of these offerings resonate with you, I'll have the links in the show notes. The title of this podcast is When Relaxation Makes You Dizzy, the Hidden Brainstem Vision Connection. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Dr. Sam Berne, and this is where we explore vision, which is more than eyesight. It's our nervous system, our perception, and our regulation, and how we experience reality through our body. Today we're talking about something that really surprises people. Why do people feel dizzy, foggy, or they're experiencing nodding off? And they do this while they start relaxing. Many people associate dizziness with ear problems, low blood pressure, trauma, or aging. But I want to introduce a new idea. Maybe this is a brain prediction problem. Let me explain. Clinically, I've been working over 40 years, and I've seen this pattern over and over. People are trying to relax, so they meditate, they take calming herbs, they slow down their lifestyle, and yet suddenly they start feeling worse. They experience things like motion sensitivity, dizziness, nodding off, disconnecting, or experiencing drifting sensations. This is not psychological weakness. This is your nervous system trying to protect you. I'd like to bring in the Brainstem, which is our prediction survival center. Our brainstem is deeply buried in the brain, and it asks questions like, am I safe? Am I not safe? Is my movement predictable? Is my breathing stable? And here's a big one. Are my eyes connected to my body? If the brainstem senses loss of control, we begin to shut down. Sometimes that feels like, I think I want to go to sleep. Or you start drifting. Or you start feeling dizzy if things come towards you. This is not sleep. This is protective engagement. Why does relaxation trigger dizziness? Here's the counterintuitive part. If the nervous system relaxes too fast or it's imposed upon us, our nervous system may interpret this as we're out of control. So instead of relaxing deeper, we just shut down. That's why when people meditate, sometimes they feel worse. Or they start experiencing dizziness when they relax their neck. And they get sleepy when they take calming supplements. So here's the vision connection. Vision is more than just an eyeball experience. If your brainstem doesn't totally trust your movement, objects that move towards you feel threatening, busy environments overwhelm you, driving makes you feel exhausted, and screens create fatigue almost immediately. This is not just visual strain, it's perceptual overload. The solution is not try harder, relax more, force vision exercises, or push through dizziness. The solution is help the brain predict safely. When this happens, vision stabilizes, movement stabilizes, sleep gets better, and our energy stabilizes. So here are the things that actually help. Gentle sensory input, expanding peripheral awareness, slow motion exposure, choice-based nervous system work, and eye-body integration. Not forcing, not imposing, but inviting. So if you experience dizziness, nodding off, or visual overwhelm, your system is not broken. It may be trying to protect you with outdated survival mechanisms. When we help reconnect the brain and the body, the side effect is our vision improves. I'm Dr. Sam Berne. Vision is not just what you see, it's how safe your brain feels inside your body.